Park Hotels that has posted a good set of number coming in as far as revenue is concerned. EBITDA and margin, all three of them have posted a beat versus what we were expecting at 80 now, and PAT has come in line with our expectations. So good set of numbers. The stock is up in a way 2% in trade on the back of that, and we are now joined by the management to weigh in on the numbers. Vijay Dewan, MD of Park Hotels, is now joining us. Mr. Dewan, hi. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us. Mr. Dewan, the revenue and EBITDA both grew 17% on a year-on-year basis, while PAT was in line. It was down 39%. What factors have led to the profit decline despite healthy top line and operating growth?
Firstly, I'm absolutely delighted to be on the ET show today. So thank you so much. We have achieved a very good set of numbers. The Q2 has been the best ever for us, and it has been marked by accelerated growth and an accelerated momentum in terms of our expansion plans. We have delivered a high-teen revenue expansion and a mid-teen EBITDA growth. So we have achieved 17% on the top line and 15% at the EBITDA level. And this sort of actually reaffirms our strong strategy and our strong brand positioning. It would be very important to know at this point of time that we opened last year 2 of our Palace hotels, and both these Palace hotels have got international recognition. In fact, our hotel in Patiala that is run by the Palace has got a Michelin One Key, which is a mark of quality in the hospitality industry. So that has been achieved. Also, the Lotus Palace as Chettinad features in the 100 best hotels by Travel and Leisure. And these 2 hotels are significantly helping us in terms of driving our performance. During the course of this year, we have achieved 93% occupancy, which is India's highest occupancy. And we have also achieved a 13% growth in average room rates, and we have achieved a 12% growth in terms of our RevPAR. Yes, there has been a slight decline at the PAT level. In terms of year-to-year basis, there has been a decline. But if you were to look at it on a sequential basis, the PAT has also grown by 20%. And the reduction on a Y-to-Y basis is largely associated with other income last year, which came in of about 15 crores, and that accounts for the decline. Otherwise, the performance has been probably the best ever and really an outstanding performance, which is being delivered by the company and by my team members.
Right, and congratulations on a good set of numbers that you've reported. But Mr. Dewan, also wanted your thoughts on your expansion plans. I believe 14 hotels and 588 keys are under development right now. What has been the progress on these, and when will they start contributing to your financials?
So firstly, 2 set of great news in terms of expansion. Number 1 is that we have acquired Zillion Hotels and Resorts at Juhu at a cost of 206 crores. This hotel is expected to open by the end of next year. We are also in the process of acquiring 2 properties in down south in Kochi. This acquisition should also get over by the end of this month, and these properties, in fact, these 2 properties are expected.
All right, Mr. Dewan, also the RevPAR improved 12%
vision of having
on a year-on-year basis to 7,204. How do you see this number evolving now that the GST and hotel rooms under 7,500 has been reduced?
So the GST is definitely the GST2, which has been introduced by the government, is definitely a very positive step. It's going to definitely help the hospitality industry. But in terms of, we would have further liked that the setting at 7,500 rupees has been stagnant for almost since the inception of GST. And it should have been raised to at least 12,000 to 14,000 rupees. And we look forward to that. enhancement of this set at 7,500 to be sort of further raised. But it's going to be very, very positive. It should help in terms of further improving the EBITDA margins for the hospitality industry. This quarter three, and we are actually in the middle of the quarter three, and the quarter three and quarter four are going to be very strong for us. Firstly, because of our new Palace Hotel openings, and also for the reason that these are the strongest quarters where the number of weddings are larger.
Right.
Plus, there's going to be T20 World Cup, which is going to happen next year, and more conferences and conventions are expected during these 2 quarters.
Right, we understand, we get that point. So the third quarter is likely to be very good on account of festive and wedding season. Thanks so much, Mr. Dewan, for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now.